Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case this is your first time here, you're very much welcome. Please hit that subscribe button, it's free of charge, and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll always be notified. So on today's video, I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be doing the semi-permanent eyebrows. These eyebrows are supposed to last me for 2 to 4 weeks. Yes, so I'm going to see how long these actually last me weeks. So what I'm going to be using is very simple. So the first thing, I'm going to need an eyebrow pencil, and the next thing I'm going to be using this is the jancho. Yeah, I hope I've pronounced it well. So the jancho hair dye, and I've already mixed it. You just mix it with water, and here it is. So this is what I'm going to be using, like just those few things. So let's do this. So the first thing that I'm going to be using is this Davis eyebrow pencil. It's in the shade 003, and I'm going to use it to outline the shape of my eyebrows. So the way my eyebrows are shaped, I'm just going to outline the shape, and I'm being very light-handed with this one because I don't want to go in heavy and then the shape of my eyebrows will be distorted. I just want it to be looking really nice. So I'm being very light-handed with this one. Now on to the next eyebrow. I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to repeat the same steps that I followed on the other brow onto this eyebrow. You can actually see that I'm just following the shape of my eyebrows. And this is what we have so far. So right now I'm just going to now use this mixture, the mixture that I showed you. And as normally the way I do with my eyebrows, I start from the arc going all the way to the tail and then on the front part. That's just what I'm going to do here. So I'm just filling in using this jancho hair dye. So I'm done with the first one, so now on to the next one. Just the same thing, start from the arc, going to the tail, and then on the front part, and I'm going to fill in everywhere. Like, I'm not going to leave spaces because I don't want my eyebrows to look like they have spaces left. So I'm just going to fill in everywhere. So this is what we have so far. This is how the eyebrows are actually looking. So I left them there for 30 minutes. That's the recommended time. And meanwhile, I was actually doing my makeup. I'm not actually done with my makeup. So I'm actually peeling it off. You have to peel it off. You can't leave it like that. You can see it has some whites there. So you can't actually leave it like that. So you have to peel off that. I don't know how to call it. So you have to peel it. It's not actually painful. It's not painful at all. It's not painful. And this is how the eyebrows are looking. This is me with the done makeup with low light. So I'm actually using low light at this point, and this is how the makeup and the eyebrows are looking. Tell me your views on the comment section. Tell me, how do you think about these? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in case you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And guys, this is the final look. This is how my eyebrows are looking. I feel like they are looking so good. So for the next 2 to 4 weeks, I don't have the pressure of doing my eyebrows in the morning. I feel so good, like, oh my god. And then they are looking so beautiful. I feel like they are dark, but not like badly dark, because me, I'm dark. I'm not too light, so I feel like they're just okay. They're just okay for me. So tell me in the comment section, would you actually consider doing the semi-permanent brows? Would you? And what do you think about the brows? How are they looking? So guys, in case you requested a video, I'm actually about to drop them, so just be patient, stick around, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll always be notified. And thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.